You can now create a talking AI avatar video in less than 5 minutes, simply by adding a photo. And best of all, it's completely for free.
Forklifts are essential equipment in many warehouses.
Welcome to Company X and congratulations on joining our team.
Welcome everyone to today's training session on inbound operations.
If you haven't used HeyGen before, HeyGen is an online platform that allows you to create AI avatar videos to help you level up your business communication, training induction, marketing material, and lots more. HeyGen offers a number of plans that you can see here, from their free plan to their paid subscription. And best of all, you can create the talking AI avatar video completely for free. All you need to do is set up an account. So let's jump over to the computer and let's get started. So you need to go to the HeyGen website. I'll include a link in the description below. To set up an account, click Get Started. If you don't already have an account, you can set up an account via an email address, or you can use your credentials on Google or Facebook to set up your account. Now, to sign up with an email account, just click on the link here. To sign up for an account, you'll need to enter in your work email address and hit Send Code. Then you'll need to go to your email to retrieve the code and enter the code here. Once you're logged into your account, this will bring up the main dashboard that you can see here. To create a talking video using a photo, you need to first upload a photo. To upload a photo, select Avatars and then select Photo Avatar. Now you can select any photos you have on file or use AI programs such as Midjourney, Microsoft Designer to generate your own image. So in the demo video today, we're going to create a safety training video. So in this example, we're going to select this male warehouse manager. Once you've uploaded the photo, your photo will now appear in your avatar library. So let's select the photo here. Here you can choose to edit the avatar or create the video in the AI Studio. Let's now select Edit Avatar. Here you'll notice that the image is a circle. Now you can change the settings of the image by selecting one of the three options here. So you can select Original, you can select Square, or you can go back to the default circle option here. Now, depending upon the style of your video, the platform you are using, you can always go back and change the shape of your avatar. But for now, we'll just leave this as a circle. For the voice recording, it's currently set to a female voice that you can see here. So let's change the voice over by selecting the text here. This will now bring up a library of AI voices. And as you can see here, there's over 100 options to select from. Now, as the image we selected earlier is a male figure, we want to be able to select a male voice. Now let's just narrow down our options a little bit by only having a look at the male voices. So if you click on the arrow here and select male, this will now give you 63 options to select from. Now, a couple of things to consider when looking at this AI voice library. Let's have a look at Tony here. One of the first things you'll notice is the flag. This flag here represents that this particular voice will be in an American accent. Whereas if you have a look over here under Ryan, this particular voice will be in a British accent. You'll also notice that it will give you a brief description on the style of the voice, the age of the voiceover, as well as some use cases here for you. This indicates that this particular voiceover is ideal for an e-learning or an explainer video. Now, one of the other callouts when using AI voices in HeyGen is this diamond icon here. This diamond icon here indicates that this particular voiceover is classified as a premium and you need to upgrade your plan to use this feature. But as you can see here, even under the free plan, there are lots of options that you can select from. Now let's scroll down to see if we can find a voiceover with an Australian accent. Here we have Will with an Australian flag next to the name to indicate this particular recording will be in an Australian accent. Now to listen to the recording, just hit the play icon here.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
If the voiceover is not exactly what you're after, you can explore other options. Now let's listen to another recording. Here we have Mitchell, also with an Australian accent, so let's hit play.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Now, after listening to both Will and Mitchell, I actually prefer the recording of Will, so let's scroll up to the top and select Will. Here you can select Listen to Sound, just to double check that the voiceover matches your image.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Now for an AI voice, that sounds pretty good to me. Now, it might be a good idea at this stage to name your avatar. So if you click on the text box here, you can type in the name. You can also change the speed and pitch of the voice. However, we'll just leave this for now. The next step is to save your avatar. To save your avatar, just hit the save button here. And this will automatically save your new avatar in your online library. If you're getting value out of this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as this will support my channel. If you're interested in learning more tricks and tips on how to improve your digital communication network, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now in the next part of the video, we're going to create the talking avatar. Select your new avatar and select Create with AI Studio. Here you need to select the aspect ratio, either landscape or portrait mode. Now I'm going to select landscape mode, and this will now bring up the video editing page. First off, we want to align and resize the image. Just select the image and reposition the image to your desired location. You will notice a number of dots around the image. To change the rotation of the image, select the dot on the top, and here you can rotate your image. To resize the image, select one of the dots on the corner to resize your image. You just want to make sure that the avatar is in the center. Now, once you're happy with the position of the image, you need to add in your voice recording. Select Script on the left-hand side, and HeyGen will automatically give you a sample script here. Now let's just hit play.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
There are a number of ways you can add the voice recording. The first option is to type in your text here and use the text-to-speech feature. HeyGen will use the voice that you selected earlier. In this case here, we selected Will for the recording. The free plan will give you up to 2,000 characters or allow you to create videos up to 3 minutes. Now let's add in our script. In this video, I'm going to create a training video about forklift safety. So let's enter our script here. Now once you've entered your script, just hit play. And now HeyGen will automatically convert your script into the recording.
Forklifts are essential tools in many warehouses, making heavy lifting and transporting goods much more manageable.
Now you would have noticed that HeyGen has updated the timeline here. It's created a video as one continuous scene. Depending upon the style of your video, you can create multiple scenes and add in other elements such as videos, B-rolls, text, animation to make the video more engaging for your audience. One of the key standout features is the ability to translate voice recording into different languages. Australia is one of the most multicultural countries globally, with over 29% of the population born overseas. Around 21% of the population, or about 5.5 million people, reported speaking a language other than English at home. Now, the stats will vary depending upon your geographic location, industry, as well as various other factors. However, you only really need to look within your organization to see the benefits of being able to convert training material into different languages. This not only helps with the learning experience, it also helps aid the retention, as well as supports the broader HR strategies around diversity and inclusion. To translate the text, click on the ellipsis or the 3 dots and click Translate. From the drop-down box here, select your desired language. In this example, I'm going to select Hindu. And then click Apply. Here you notice that HeyGen has converted the script from English to Hindu. So let's hit play.
फोर्कलिफ्ट कई गोदामों में आवश्यक उपकरण हैं.
Now, as with any translation tool, it's always a good idea to check the details with someone who speaks the native language before publishing or sharing the content. But as you can see, this is a fantastic tool to be able to convert your training material from English into different languages. Another way to add the recording is to record yourself. To add your own recording, just click on Add Recording. Here you can record your own voice in real time, but you just want to make sure that the image is reflective of the voice recording. The third option is to upload your own audio file. To upload the file, just click on Upload Audio. And here you can upload your audio file. When you are ready to generate the talking video, select Submit. and you will be asked to confirm your submission. So if you're happy with the video, just hit submit. And now HeyGen will start to process your video. Once HeyGen has finished processing the video, to preview the video, hit play and hit play again.
Forklifts are essential equipment in many warehouses, making lifting and transporting heavy items much easier.
It's completely mind-blowing what technology can do nowadays by simply turning a photo into an AI-generated talking avatar. Now on the free plan, HeyGen will give you a number of options to be able to share your video. So if you click over here and enable sharing, HeyGen will give you a number of options to be able to share your video, including a web link. You can share it on social media, as an email, or you can embed the video. Now to download your video, you will need to upgrade your subscription. This will of course give you other features that you can see here, such as unlimited video generations. You can create longer videos within the platform, create additional avatars, and it also includes faster processing time and lots more. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.